If you are looking for the best built-in microwave, here is a collection you have got to see. Let's get started. Number 1. Most popular, Advent MW912BWDK Black Built-in Microwave Oven. We understand that not all people live in big houses. That does not mean you hinder your cooking lifestyle by using inferior products. Advent Microwave is the best option for RVs, trailer, motorhome, camper, dorm rooms, and other places. It has a dimension of 19 inches wide by 13 3/8 inches high by 14 inches diameter to fit a small cabinet installation area. Also, the included wide trim kit improves the setup process to leave the room clean looking. Make use of the electronic controls with quality digital display. With a simple touch, you can adjust the cook settings, clock, cook times, timer, and power levels. Number 2. Sharp KB6524PS 24-inch microwave drawer oven. Drawer-style microwaves are definitely the easiest to use, and the Sharp KB6524PS is even better than the rest. You have the option to open the drawer using the handle or the control panel. This might be a concern if you have kids, but luckily there's a control lock option that'll prevent them from messing with the microwave. It's large enough to fit a casserole dish and a venti-sized cup of coffee. In addition to the thoughtful design, the sensors are quite accurate and cook food evenly. Number 3. Frigidaire FGM0226NUF Built-in Microwave Oven. Tired of using small to medium-sized plates every time you want to warm up food? You don't have to any longer because Frigidaire Microwave has a spacious 2.2 cubic foot design. You can enjoy warming up your tasty dish without performing multiple operations. Also, this gadget uses up to 1200 watts, perfect for heating foods evenly. The other designs fail to distribute heat evenly, leaving patches of food untouched. Pick your suitable power levels from the 9 options to suit your cooking needs. Attractively housed in quality stainless steel, not only is it fingerproof resistant, but also rust-proof. Pick your cooking options comfortably without worrying about smudges. Number 4. Bosch HMD 8451UC 800 24-inch stainless steel microwave drawer. With glass touch controls, including one that opens and closes the drawer, Bosch HMD 8451UC is one of the most attractive models. The sensor is impressive. It defrosts meat without cooking it and melts butter to the perfect baking temperature. It's also quiet. There's no turntable, which means it won't cook food quite as evenly as other models, but that means cleaning the interior will be much easier. Number 5. Summit OTR24 24-inch stainless steel built-in 0.9 cubic foot capacity microwave oven. Summit Appliance has one of the best built-in microwaves in the market. Boasting of a compact structure, it uses minimal wall space during installation. Also, the construction ensures you have simple handling and maintenance when assembling into a 24-inch cabinet space. Use the included digital controls to pick a setting that meets the food application. Whether you are warming or cooking, it delivers the expected results. Another essential function is the cook menu that offers extensive heat choices. For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.